What's going on? Today we are reviewing one of the newest sets that came out in 2015, the Spider-Man hideout, which I really wanted. I was like, this set looks awesome, and I got it. First of all, I want a green vehicle. Second of all, I want another Spider-Man vehicle, which this one is. I have a Spider-Man car, kind of like this, but bigger. And that's all. So we're going to start off by showing you the miniature cast. So first up here we have Spider-Man, the main of this set. He has a normal design. I wish he had the boots. I saw boots in some other Lego sets, but he doesn't. So that was the front of him now. It's the back of him. So now we have Green Goblin, his villain, of course. The main character, my favorite character of this set, to say. I gotta say, he looks awesome. There's the back. He's sick. He has a little goblin thing, little pumpkin. There's the police officer. Very yellow face. I wish I put the skin color. Hey, oh, what are you doing? And the back. Police, it says. So, I'll put these on their vehicles. There's some cool features in this set. One of my favorite parts is the slide feature of this set. And Spider-Man can go in his vehicle, of course.
Hey, Steven?
He's in his room.
Oh.
So, there. So, first we're going to start off with the smallest one, the police. So, as a police logo in the red and blue, the white, the very cool wheels, the blue, and the blue and the red, and the red and blue. And I'm going to go back there. Then we have Green Goblin on his low flyer. So as you can see, there's these little rockets. And when you do this, it shoots. And it went all the way over there. Be right back. Alright guys, I am back and I got this. If you want to store it with one normally, like not behind him, you just do it like that. And this vehicle, green and purple like his color. The little rockets are awesome. So let's put him over here. And then let's get Green Goblin because he's in this feature. So basically, here's the Spider-Man one with Spidey in it. It has that spinning propeller. This is Lego Juniors, by the way. That is fun. That is Spider-Man's logo on each side. There's a web on the back. You know why? Because this opens up. And you just throw him in there. This is our jail cell. There we go. And that vehicle's very cool. I love it. It has a little bit of design. Now, this one is really cool. We're going to test out Spider-Man for the slide. So, basically the slide, it can... So, first we're going to start off with my favorite feature. So, we're going to put these things like police tanks. Now let's bring it over here from my room. I have to put those on. So, basically, I'm going to put that down. I want this. Spider-Man. Whee! So now, the mechanism is still side by. So, I think he has a little thing that says 50,000 for Green Goblin. Little Spider-Man little thing. It has a little traffic light. It has street road thing. Of course, it has e-newspapers. This thing over here that has a mail letter. That says, see there, very nice design. The little slide thing which has a little ladder. As you can see, watch. Goes. La 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 la. Ah! And they come out. Basically, that's it. Oh yeah, and then film too. And the web design, the Spider-Man thing. Ooh, and the Spider-Man face and these bars. So that was the Spider-Man hideout set. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. It was a really fun set to make. Yeah, to build, it was really fun. And oh yeah, this little column thing right here up the spider. And so I enjoyed making this set. What I say we, and we'll see you guys in the next video. But I will maybe a movie in it. Bye. Sorry.